Hi everyone, this is Heather Lottinen from the Flourish.Academy. This is episode 325 and today we're talking about Fuji mirrorless cameras. So I am currently shooting with the Fuji X100F compact camera, fixed lens. It is 23 millimeters on a crop sensor equals about 35 millimeters, and I love this camera. But I was asked recently why I purchased this camera instead of one of the ones with interchangeable lenses. And okay, the truth is I got this camera from my birthday from my husband and my friends at YM Camera, which was very kind of them. I love this camera because it's incredibly compact. It also eliminates any decision making. I don't have to decide what lens should I take. Should I use this lens? Would this lens work better? False, because I only have one lens and it's on there, which means you have to be more creative in your shooting, which I love. I think it's a fantastic challenge. But primarily this is my vacation lens. So my family is about to leave for Italy for about 3 weeks, about 2.5 weeks actually. We're leaving pretty soon and I am only taking this camera. I am not taking my big girl camera. That's my Nikon D750 with a variety of lenses. Why? Well, several reasons. Number one, it's heavy. It takes up a lot of space in my luggage, and what lens would I take? I don't know. I would have to try to decide between my lenses, and probably I would choose the 24-70 for its versatility, which means it's heavy and it's big, along with the D750 plus the charger. It's just too much. I am going to slip this compact Fuji mirrorless into my purse, my day bag, and run with it. And I'm very excited to shoot our entire vacation in Italy. My gosh, I can't speak today, with just this camera. So the reason I selected this camera was because it's compact and I thought it was a great way to get into the mirrorless world. It's my first foray into that world. I am interested in looking at the Fujis with interchangeable lenses. I just haven't pulled the trigger yet, and I bet that I will. I do enjoy having new gear to play with, and I've often thought about renting several Fuji cameras and lenses to take to a wedding with me this summer so that I can test them and see how they perform up against something like the Nikon D750. That will be forthcoming. But to answer the question I'm often asked, which is which Fuji mirrorless do I have, but more specifically, why did I pick it over the ones with interchangeable lenses? It's really just as simple as I wanted something that was compact but had great quality. My question to you is, do you have a mirrorless camera? If so, are you loving it? Could you post a sample of your images below? What brand? What do you like about it? And if you don't, are you looking at mirrorless? I really am curious to see how this mirrorless market plays out. I kind of think it's the future because it's pretty amazing. I'm excited to test one of the interchangeable lens cameras at a wedding, hopefully this summer. But leave a comment, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video.